Well, hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies. This is Jeannie. My niece gave me some good pointers on how to try to protect myself on YouTube because, you know, I just got to get this out. And you know what? This is exactly what I'm going to speak wherever I'm at because you know what? When a woman can take up for a man and know the man is doing wrong, why would you do that? Like, okay, I can't help it. I watch a lot of things about uh killers and killing murderers, especially serial killers or serial offenders, okay? When it's serial killers and serial offenders, ladies, we got to protect ourselves. Okay, let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Jeannie, and this is me and you on a couch, okay? Me and you on a couch is a format that I would love to have with everybody that I know. Okay. Me and you on the couch, everybody on the same level because this is how it has to be. And I feel like if I don't say anything, shoot, women won't be equal. We'll still be getting killed and murdered and all that stuff. Okay. This is me and you on the couch, girl, okay? Yes, this is for women. I'm hoping that men listen because it's without them that we can't do nothing. But it's because of them that we suffer. Ooh, did I say that? I can back it up. Okay. Oh, we got a lot of things to talk about today on Me and You on the Couch. Remember, me and you on the couch, everybody's on the same level. Everybody is on the couch. Everybody is everybody, and everything is everything. You know what I mean? Because I'm tired of uh being on the low totem pole, even though I know I shouldn't be there. Okay? Come on now. Okay, so these are the things I'm supposed to say. The I am using the Fair Act use while I'm here on YouTube giving this presentation. Uh, and this video is for educational purposes only. Okay, but you better know wisdom when you're hearing it. I'm just telling you, man. You know, and I always think, Lord, why I had to go through all that? Lord, why did I have to go through all of that? You know why he let me go through it? Because he knew I was going to say something. And he knows what I have to say needs to be listened to. I can't take it no more. I cannot sit back and allow another police officer to say that these women were prostitutes, but they people too. Excuse me, they're women. I am going to be on the side of my birth first before I be on the other side for these people that are trying to direct my life, even though they have a third member. Ain't that how it's called? Okay, I can't take it no more. I am going to fight for women's rights on this channel. And you know what? We need everybody. Everybody. These movements need to keep on going. And if I got to be the fire to light them, I'm going to do it. I don't care if you listen or not. I'm really hoping that you are because I got my little lucky purple hat on. See, well, I like saying that because I like it. Okay, I got my brown glasses on today. Okay, look, ladies. Look, ladies. This is like bogus as bogus. Okay. As bogus. That's all I got to say, okay? So check this out. Okay, so I'm watching YouTube. I love YouTube. I watch my shows on YouTube. I put my videos on YouTube. I watch a whole lot of videos on YouTube. But the thing is this. I was watching Anna. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. Because you know what? Well, Miss Anna, I love your show. I watch it all the time. Okay, the Crime Watch Daily podcast, And Anna, you know you really a beautiful woman. And I'm not gonna say that because if I meet you, even over the podcast, oh my God, I think I would faint. But you know what, Anna, you are always on the one in your show. Okay? And you know, Anna, we know, basically who's right or wrong in these cases. Okay. So if we are all gonna be still labeled as being a certain way, Anna, I think we should all talk to each other. And yes, I am talking about the one that Anna talked about in 2020. This lady in Alabama and the stand your ground rule and how it does not apply to women. Now, mind you, I will be reading from the internet because, see, what I'm talking about, the actual event was back in 2018. And you need to hear this. This is really something. This right here lets me know that as a woman sitting here, they gonna try to cut me down the sides, baby. Maybe these judges, oh Lord. Because you never know. See, this is what I know what's going on. It's a lot of people out there that's been abused. Okay? And it's a lot of people that's been molested and have incest in their background. And you know, their uncle is dirty and nasty. And yet the mama don't punch him in the face. Okay? This little boy, they said this little boy burnt his mattress on fire so that he can escape his parents. Shouldn't be. And you know what? He's either the oldest brother or even the baby brother. It doesn't matter because he has sisters and he's a boy. So the sisters knew that their parents were just treating him. I mean, it wasn't nothing they could do. You know them houses, y'all. Okay? Do as I say, not as I do. And don't tell nobody nothing. What we say that is, you don't tell nobody nothing. You know, that's white people too, y'all. But usually when it's the white people, it's like they do drugs and all that stuff and everything. I don't know. I ain't never seen no white people that ain't got nothing wrong with them or their kids, and they just living a regular life, Ever tell the kids not to say anything. I used to tell my kids, tell on me because I know I can back up my stuff. You know what I mean? If you want to tell on me, though, you know what? You might end up in one of them foster homes that one of them messed up kids over there did. Ain't going to be like mama cooking homegrown cooking at home and all that. Yeah, no. You ain't going to get no apples and bananas and spinach, all that good stuff. Nope. All you going to eat is McDonald's morning, noon, and night. That is what I used to tell my kids, though. But ladies, this channel is for the ladies. I cannot sit back anymore and allow this to continue to happen. But like I said, this is for educational purposes only. Okay, the Fair Act use is in use during this video on YouTube. Okay. So, a judge has denied an Alabama woman's claim that she acted in self-defense under the state Stand Your Ground law, ladies, when she killed a man in her home in January 2018. See? Here we go. Ted Bundy can come up and kill all of us in the doggone apartment building. Oh, ladies, don't try to fight back, ladies. What? No, don't try to fight back and then the man will be even more worse. Okay, well, this man finna die today because he picked the wrong one. Ladies, get some pepper spray. We got to defend ourselves, y'all. Do y'all see that these... Okay, now, we is me and you on the couch, but I got to tell y'all something now. Every woman, no matter what's going on, is on the couch. Everybody that knows that a woman is your mama, your sister, your granny is on the couch. Everybody that knows that these things that's happening to women is some bogus crap. Okay? I can't sit by no more, y'all. This is in Alabama. Alabama. That's where my nephew live. Hey, shout out to Alabama up in the house. Yes, where my baby. There she go. She know who she is. Mariana. She knows who she is. But but look at here, y'all. Look. Okay? Let me ask this question. Even though we as women are discriminated against enough from men, we are not protected. Do the right thing by this lady in Alabama, please. Okay? So, let's see what else the judge has done. In a 19-page order, okay, I am reading from, I really like this website too. Let me see, ladies. See? We got to get this together. I got to get on there somewhere. If Rush Limbaugh can be on there, I could be on there. Now, I have to give credit where credit is due, and I am reading from the appeal. Okay? Support a worker-led appeal. Donate to help us continue our work. Yes. This is the one that I am reading from, and it's called The Appeal, Policing, Prosecution, Pretrial, Punishment, Criminalization, Politics, Alternatives, Newsletter. Okay, ladies, I'm finna get this newsletter. We finna get this together because you know what? I feel like if I don't say anything, we all gonna die again. Now, let me give you a disclaimer. Disclaimer. Okay, I'm telling my stories on YouTube because I believe that the things that I have to discuss will really help people get through these hard times where something else is different in the future. Okay, now look at here. When you have wisdom, you understand that when you start something don't mean you're going to finish it. Okay, you might start something, but somebody else might get the increase. Okay. You might start something, but maybe somebody else going to take it even further than you did. So we got to get it started, ladies. Oh, no. Okay. Example. Jerome Burdos, Burdos. I can't help it, ladies. I don't feel protected right now, okay? And now mine is on a two front. I really don't feel protected. I'm a black woman in America. I really thought that stood for something at one point in time. But you know what? I love being a black woman. But you know what? Y'all really need to. This is it, y'all. This is where the rubber meets the road. Okay, we got to keep Me Too movement and the Black Lives Matter movement. And the Stop Discrimination Against Women movement. And the We Finna March for This Lady Alabama movement. I wish I had enough people. I would definitely go march for her. Come on now. Ladies, we need to get together and get this done, y'all. Because, see, can they do the right thing? Okay, so, at first they did give her a sentence. Oh, Lord. They gave her a sentence, y'all, okay? Now, the sentence was, she was going to, because she was in jail for a while, waiting for a trial and stuff. So, they had gave her, somebody bailed her out. They gave her 48 months or something like that in jail. And then they gave her like 15 years of probation and everything and all that stuff. And then they gave her time served. So she is home. See, but the judge denied the fact that she had a right to do what she did. Y'all got to listen to this story now. If y'all don't want to listen, that's fine. But us as women, we got to get together, y'all. Okay, example, Jerome Burgos, Burgos. Jerome Burgos was a man that loved women's shoes. He was obsessed with them. But what do you know? He was also obsessed with killing women. The only one that got away from him was the lady that bit the crap out of his hand. Remember? Educational purposes only. She did a lockjaw. Y'all want to see that? It's on YouTube. She did a lockjaw, that doggone man hand, and that's why she alive today. Y'all, he used to get, like Ted Bundy, get us to help him and stuff. We got to get strong together. And we can't have some of these women half-stepping that, women, and then over there they got to sit down and be quiet if their husband come in and give them the eye. This Alabama lady, y'all. A 19-page order. Jackson County Circuit Court Judge Jennifer Holt. You know what? I was wondering what reaction we would get if the judge is a lady. This is exactly what I mean, ladies. Forget that. We need to be on each other's side because, see, this is stupid. Okay? So then women that knows that things are against them won't let another woman get off because she feel like all these men is looking at her as a judge in the man ruled place of employment. If law is not a man ruled place of employment, can the ladies start wearing big dresses to work or nothing that really pinches their titties together to get a raise? Come on, y'all. We got to keep this Me Too movement rolling. We got to do it rolling, okay? And even if that never happened to you, we need to join this Me Too movement, man, so this can stop happening. Why would some kid have to burn a mattress in order to get rescued from their abusive parents? That's sad. Okay. So, Brittany Smith, who was charged with first-degree murder. So Jennifer Holt wrote on Monday that Brittany, who was charged with first-degree murder for killing an acquaintance. Nope, see? She didn't even know the man. She didn't know the man, y'all. You know how she knew him? She seen him online that he sells puppies. And that's what happened. Now, hold on a minute now. Let me finish this. An acquaintance, Joshua Todd Smith, did not credibly demonstrate that she reasonably believed it was necessary for her to use deadly force in this situation. Isn't that funny? I bet you Jennifer Holt, if she was getting raped in her house, what would she do? See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is exactly why men get old. This is exactly why men like this can kill us from the internet, can see us on the internet and kill us anyway. We can go get a puppy from a man like this, and next thing you know, this man trying to kill me in my own house. Let me tell you. Okay, I can only go 30 minutes though because, it's really long to even download 30 minutes. But look at here, y'all. Okay, so the decision came after Brittany testified in an emotional hearing last month that Todd raped her. How many women are not truthful? Okay. How many serial killers do we have? We might have a couple of people that killed more or less than 5. But the total running is what? 5, 7, 8? Okay. 8. How many people did she kill? Eileen Wuornos. She's our only serial killer. Okay. and that she killed like a man because she used the gun. Okay, check this out. This lady was so distraught. She did not know what to do. Look, again. So now you know she was raped. Everybody knows that's the truth. And now she's got to be in jail for the rest of her life for defending herself against a maniac. Brittany testified in an emotional hearing last month that Todd raped her. Now, look, there are women out there watching this that's never been raped before that will feel something when you say those words. That's exactly why, women, we ain't gonna never break the ceiling, because we could be raped still. We could be raped right in front of we could be raped right in front of a camera, and we say we raped because you know what? Everybody know what kind of emotion it is. I don't give a doggone. Here we go. When there are people who are genuine, I don't care, something is touched in there. Now, if you're a bad person, it ain't gonna care. Like this freaking Joshua dude. Check this out, yeah. That's where she met him. She didn't want to lie. So, what did she do? She thought the law was gonna save her. Yeah, watch this. Okay, she said he raped her, threatened to kill her and her family, and Alabama was fixing to kill my brother. Chris McCallie, by choking him in a headlock. Jackson County District Attorney Jason Pierce, who has fought for 2 years to win a murder conviction, argued that Todd was the victim and not a threat to Brittany and Chris. She was raped, y'all. I can't believe this. I cannot. In her own home. By a man she didn't know. She met him online. This man is awful. See? Why is it always these men is saving these people? And you got enough nerve. You're a district attorney. Yes, I'm going to say it. You are a freaking district attorney. How dare you? How dare you defend this man? Now, wait a minute now. If I didn't have to say this about this man, then okay. Now, look now. He said he was the victim. Hold up. So, a favorable decision for Brittany would result in immunity from protection. Wow. Brittany's mother, Ramona McCallie, told the appeal on Tuesday that she wasn't surprised by Holt's decision. Of course she's not. Every time women try to use the law in the right way, we ain't never given justice. Everybody knows she's telling the truth. Everybody knows it. You mean to tell me, and she got 4 kids, y'all, 4 kids, and this mob to come at her. It's just going to have to be longer than 30 minutes. Look, y'all. Okay, so the mama said, we all know that the stand your ground law wasn't created for women. Did I just say that, ladies? We got to do something for this lady, y'all. Come on now. Even if I can't do nothing, we got to get something on. She is in Alabama. Maybe I should call down there to Alabama and see if there's anything I could do. But see, I don't drive, and, by me being disabled, I don't have a lot of things that, regular people have. So, but I just need to say this on this channel. We need to stick together, ladies. No matter what's going on, it's the power of the cookie, I'm telling you. And do you know what? We are the ones as a minority, ladies, that can get all ladies together, and we will outnumber all the mobs. You ever seen the movie, The Distinguished Gentleman with Eddie Murphy? Seriously, go watch that movie, man. That's the movie that make me want to go downtown and just use, what, that other lady, she was 99 when she died. Alice Zargis or something. That lady, she was on that thing for years. I can't help it. We have to start defending ourselves. We know we ain't as strong as men are, but you know what? If I get the ups, you gonna feel my knot. Oh no, I ain't gonna say that. See. If I ever get the bottom, it's gonna be my time. But if I get the ups, okay. If I get a ups as a woman, honey, I'm telling you, number one, I am so tired of men referring to us as prostitutes that we're people too. Excuse me, they're women. Prostitution has been the oldest work. Prostitution is the only work form that's around every country. And then you got enough nerve talking about these prostitutes out here on the street, trying to get their little money so they can get their drugs. Man, no, we talking about their trafficking. You got to be rich to traffic, right? Ain't no woman that's on drugs trafficking, honey. It's the beautiful girls that's trafficking because they getting that money. But at the same time, they are being humiliated. We got to get something done, ladies. And right now today, ask how many little girls from the age of 8 up to 30, what they want to do when they grow up. Half of them women are going to say they want to be strippers because of what's going on right now. Now, don't get me wrong, okay? Because stripping is legal, but prostitution ain't. I'm confused, ladies. I'm confused. See, you want to know why we so confused? Because it's the hard legs. Now, here I go again. In this mirror, you on a couch, the definition of a hard leg is a man that knows he needs to do the right thing, but he does the wrong thing just because he knows that he got money, clout, color, and a hard leg. Okay? I'm tired of that. This lady in Alabama needs some help. And this man is an awful man, and you're still protecting him. See? I'm finna explode this. Come on, ladies, we gotta explode this. Okay, come on, let's keep on hearing about Brittany in Alabama, y'all. This is something else. Okay, so she said the stand your ground law was not created for women. Only 2 women in Alabama, guys, have been vindicated for their justice. In Alabama, I believe they said in the state, it's only been 2 women. Ain't that a shame? And this woman that's visibly been raped. Rape kit, everything, fingerprints, everything. And he was really finna kill. So you know this, right? If he up in there and he killed, it take him so easy to rape her and kill both of them. He done did this before. But you know what? He got the right money, the right color, and the right hard leg. Do you understand? See, I got to say something. Listen, y'all. Okay? She said, we're disappointed but not defeated. Just have to keep fighting another day. Why? Why do we have to keep fighting for something that's already there? No, wait. Let me tell you about the man. In her decision, Holt thought that although the 33 wounds reviewed by a rape crisis center nurse in the courtroom were consistent with physical assault, Brittany had many opportunities to seek protection from Todd. How? She knows she ain't right, but see, she's a judge. She knows how to talk the jargon that the men talk. She has to. She's a judge, right? God forbid that a woman judge will understand that somebody got raped because their daughter got raped. I don't give a damn. Boy, forgive me. I don't want to cuss. But come on, forget that, man. I'm tired of this hard leg like this man. Alabama probably got up his flag That is his past and my past too, and your past, and it's supposed to be wiped out in Alabama. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. This judge gonna say that she could seek protection from Todd if she was in fear for her life, Holt said. Holt also wrote that Brittany had trapped Todd in the kitchen by standing between him and the door, and he had no way to escape. The defendant was armed with a revolver, and Todd was unarmed. Here we go. So, Brittany testified that she had agreed to let Todd sleep on her couch in Stevenson, Alabama. Wow. My younger brother, God rest his soul, his last name Stevenson. Okay. Stevenson, Alabama. After he told her he was stranded in a snowy park. Now, look. They were engaged in conversation before he suddenly turned violent, she said. Chris then came to her defense after learning Ty had raped her. Okay, you go, brother. Hey, see, that's what a man's supposed to do. A man ain't supposed to just come in your house and just rape you. You know he done did it before. And yet you talking about he's the victim. I know, Judge, you just got to say that. Okay, so let me see. So she said when she ran into the kitchen, she testified that she saw Chris losing in a fight against Todd. He's killing her brother. He just fought for her. She ain't supposed to fight for him. Until he kills him? No. Okay, she ran into the kitchen and she saw it was a fight against Todd that he was going to lose and appeared as if he was struggling to breathe. Brittany then gave Todd a warning. See? Before firing at him. She said, you know, he's probably looking at her like this. You're not strong enough to kill me. No, M.O., I'm finna kill you right now. Look. And she has testimony by the clerk in the store. Oh, I wish she would stand up. Oh, please watch over these women because you know what? If y'all try to kill these women, like the brother already threatened because he just like his brother. Oh my gosh. Are you guys really? You know what? I'm going to tell you what. This is going to be my story. I am going to continue to see this story. As much as how we had to fight to get the Brianna girl out of jail. Come on now. We owe this to our future daughters. Our nieces. I'm tired of this. Not the only thing my niece can do is be on a stripper pole. No, she gonna be the next judge. Come on now. Here we go. Alabama stand your ground law is broad and applies in several circumstances, but not a woman getting raped in her own house and her brother came to her rescue. Now the big stupid dude is finna kill her brother and she's just supposed to stand there and scream and let him kill him and then he gonna kill me and then he gonna kill my kids? No, see, that's the scenario. That men need to get a hard leg, excuse me, because men wouldn't have that in their scenario. Only hard legs do. Okay? Now, ladies, we got the terms now. Karen and hard legs, okay? Because Chris Brown was right and Will Smith was wrong. Everybody know what that means. So then you want me to be a Chris Brown, but at the end, you finna kill me because I was protecting my children as a woman. Totally different. What now? You know what I'm talking about. Chris Brown did. No. I can't believe I said that. Sorry, Easy. Chris Rock did the right thing. That's exactly what everybody's supposed to do. See, Will Smith is this dude. Okay? Chris Rock is the brother. Every time I get a scenario, I'm using Chris Rock and Will Smith from now on. Y'all know what? I knew it was going to be something against him. He was getting too big for his britches, and so was his wife. What it say? Pride comes before a fall, baby. Will Smith, Lord. Remember the Fair Act use is in participation in my video. This video is for educational purposes only, so you can't come back. Disclaimer, can't do nothing. Okay, so let's continue. Chris Rock was right, y'all. Y'all know that. And you know what? I might not even have y'all for this whole 35 minutes, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay? Okay, see, if Will Smith would have kept on going, y'all didn't see Chris Rock's fist, did y'all? He was ready, y'all. The only thing Will Smith was going to do was slap him. I'm telling you. And that's what I'm talking about. Check this out. Will Smith would have hit him first. Okay? And Will Smith gonna try to hit him again? Oh no, Chris Rock wouldn't have let him hit him twice now. And see, then all of a sudden Chris Rock gonna be in trouble because he defended himself. Come on now. Okay, come on. We need to get the bullies like Will Smith out of our schools. These kids know what they're doing. We got to nip them in the bud. And whoever out there told me that I could not discipline my son or my daughter when I'm shorter than both of them, okay? I'm shorter than both my kids, yet it's still, you don't want me. Ooh. Come on, ladies. You don't want me to discipline my son, but it's okay that my son grow up into one of these men. I don't give a doggone. I tell my kids all the time, you'll never be better than me and you will never be smarter than me. I don't give a doggone. But you know why I do that? Because then it drives them to want to be smarter. Especially that baby. Ooh, y'all. I love that little boy. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna do the other scripture next week because my son told me I started preaching. Well, you know what? Hey, when you got Jesus as your savior, you're gonna preach. And you know what? It's okay because he know what's up. But ladies, this lady in Alabama. So check this out. I'm not done. That's the only reason why it's longer. Okay, check this out. Because y'all, I probably will lose you. But remember, ladies, this is me and you on the couch. This is a special edition of me and you on the couch. This couch right here is for the Me Too movement, for the Black Lives Matter movement, and for breaking the glass ceiling movement. Breaking the glass ceiling movement. Hey, I'm going to write that down because that is the Fair Act. That's my the glass ceiling movement. Now, let me ask a question. Porno movies are legal. Prostitution is legal in Las Vegas. Okay. Even though prostitution has been the oldest profession since man, everybody knows that. So, does anyone know any male prostitutes out there that have been arrested for prostitution like women have? When a man prostitute gets assaulted by a man or anything like that, you need to watch it. It's the men of the police department, they'll say it's because he's gay. See? But with women, it's because she's a prostitute and make it so bad. If she don't get killed out there, she's finna be arrested. See, that ain't right either. when you can respect me as a prostitute, because sometimes that's the only way I can make my money. We'll see what was going on. See? I am so tired of hearing men talk like that. Hard legs. See? Real men wouldn't talk about women like that. Real men would be like, well, yeah, she a prostitute. Just leave her alone. He wouldn't try to judge her and talk about, oh, she getting them drugs and all that stuff. Yo, women are here. Excuse me. Yes, I'm hooked on drugs because you wouldn't even let me fight for myself in this Alabama thing. We got to bond together, ladies. Look, but Holt said that there was no evidence that Todd attacked Chris, referring to testimony. Let me see. From the case's leading protective police investigator, who said he did not observe any injuries on Chris during an interview with him on the night of the shooting. No forensic medical examination was ever performed to screen injuries. So they didn't even screen them. You cannot tell. See, you cannot say that you didn't see anything if you didn't look for it. See, it's time. You know what? If anything, being in the protect and serve category, you cannot protect nobody if you're not looking for injuries. Okay? You need to look for those. You're not going to obviously see them, sir, are you? Oh, okay. So, what is it called? When you want to interject. No, that ain't it. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Something overruled. No, it would be sustained. Objection. There we go. Objection. Because the investigator is saying that he did not, the police investigator did not include that she told Todd to leave her home, so he was staying there by permission. Did he really say that, y'all? See, this is what I'm talking about. And this is exactly why I got this video. Because if I didn't do this video, I probably would be very, very anxious. Okay, so let me see. So it says right here that Holt added that Brittany's statements to police investigators did not include... no, okay. Wait, I'm talking about injuries. Okay, here we go. But Holt said there was no evidence that Todd attacked Chris, referring to testimony from the case's lead protective investigator. The protect and serve profession is the only profession that I know of that you can mess up and still keep your place where you at. And then, so you mean to tell me there are prisoners in jail right now where the guards took them out, handcuffed their hands behind them, and handcuffed them to a big old pole and played baby sharks. Do y'all know they saying that's unusual punishment, cruel and unusual punishment that these men are hard legs. That these hard legs are all in prison. Now, this is prison ladies. They were taken in the back and handcuffed behind their back and played baby sharks over and over again. Cruel and unusual punishment. Let's see if they're going to win their case. Bet they do. But we're going to keep on looking at Brittany. I hope she don't lose this one. This one could be the landmark. This lady. Yeah, Judge Holt. Yeah, I'm going to keep up with this one. Because I'm finna write a dissertation on this stuff, ladies. Okay, so he said he did not observe any injuries on Chris during an interview with him on the night of the shooting because you weren't looking for it. Because you said right there you didn't observe any, okay? Holt added that Brittany's statements to police investigators did not include that she told Todd to leave her home, so he was staying there by permission. No, she did. I know somewhere she told him to leave her house, and I know she told you that because that's why he got mad. And they will make it so bad after you. Now, look, this is after he raped her. Look, he raped her. And then he told her he wanted cigarettes. That's why her brother came back to the house. See, her brother didn't see him raping her. But you should have, all her fingernails were torn off her hands. Okay? And see, that's the thing, too. I wish y'all would have took some pictures. We have our phones for everything. Everything. Except that, ladies, start using it. Because even if they get rid of your phone or whatever, you know they can find that stuff. They can pull up the pictures and stuff. Okay, let's get these hard legs off the street. Okay, so listen. Okay, so this Holt said meant that Todd's presence did not meet the criteria for burglary, which in Alabama includes staying on someone's property without their permission. I'm sure after they gave them the cigarettes that she said, now get out of... Okay, wait, hold up. Because remember, she met him because he was doing a puppy, right? Now look, this is the kicker. This is the kicker, guys. Now look. Holt said that, Holt also noted inconsistent accounts of the events surrounding Todd's death, citing a 911 call in which Brittany said she was not raped and her initial claim that Chris was the shooter. During last month's hearing, Brittany explained that those statements were a result of post-traumatic stress disorder and a mistaken decision to put the blame on Chris. That decision, however, had given her time to be examined by a rape crisis center nurse, she said. A forensic analysis found that Todd was not a contributor to the semen samples taken from Brittany's bed, but was a contributor to a dried, unspecified secretion swabbed from her body. Okay, it wasn't on her bed, it's on her body. Oh my Jesus. It's on her body, y'all. Lord have mercy. Now look, but this ain't it. Okay, so look. In her order, Holt cited the lack of semen evidence supporting Brittany's story that she was raped, a common occurrence in sexual assault cases, but did not address evidence that Todd had secreted on her body. So since it wasn't on the bed or only on her on her body, I don't know about that, because anytime anybody secreted on me, it got on the bed. Well, I'm just saying, he ain't going to just go directly on your body. I don't know. Okay, so it says, Brittany's attorney, Ron Smith, told the appeal in an email that he plans to take the decision to the Alabama Court of Criminal Appeals. Depending on the outcome, that decision can also be appealed to the Alabama Supreme Court. If an appeal is unsuccessful, Brittany will most likely go to trial where a jury can consider whether she acted in self-defense. And you know what's going to happen to this lady. Happens to each and every one of us. We under the jail. And yet this man, his name is Todd Smith. No relation to Brittany Smith now. You need to go on and see his men. They say he's had 52 violations. in his city. Only in Alabama back home where Billy Bob, you got the creed. Come on, y'all. With that flag. And then the brother gonna say, I'm so mad you killed my brother. The brother was thrown out of the house by the father. That's why he was outside. And he didn't have nobody to call, y'all. He just met these people the day before. See, I would have told him, no, I'm sorry, dude. You need to call somebody you know. But see, Brittany, she's in Alabama. She's going to help the guy. She's going to buy a puppy from him. And bam. See? And that 2-letter word, N-O, that 2-letter word is the hardest word for hard legs to hear. Okay? Come on, y'all. Make sure this get out there, ladies, because hard legs, it's time for y'all to call y'all due. I'm tired of getting on. See, I want to find somebody. I want to get online and date somebody. But this doggone hard leg, instead of a man, is going to get on there. He's going to catfish me. It's going to be a woman on the other line trying to get me to send her money. And then the next day, I'm going to see the real picture and I'm going to cuss her out just like it happened to me before. Ladies, we need to think about this lady right here, though. This is her life. She got 4 kids. And this guy has 52 violations. Read up. What's his name? Todd Smith? No, he got another first name. Because it said it on there on the podcast. Let's see. What's his name? His name is... That's why they're calling him Todd. Because everybody call him Todd. Okay. Let's see here. They say his name is Joshua Todd Smith. Joshua Todd Smith. Y'all, I'm telling you, go on there. I'm finna go on it too. And I don't know, well, yeah, because this is long enough. But ladies, we need to get together because this is ludicrous. I cannot sit back and not say anything anymore. I can't do it. And then Roe versus Wade. See, and I had Roe versus Wade already for y'all. But then this case in Alabama just overtook all my thoughts. We need to support her, y'all. Come on. We need to support her like sisters. Because them hard legs out there is the ones that's keeping us down. And then I have one more thing to say. Every hard leg out there is the fact that you're saying that you're a Trump supporter. Is that the new way of saying you're prejudiced? Ooh. I can back it up, Mr. Trump. Come on now. I'm not. They told me not to say nothing about you. And you know what? I'm not, because the Fair Act use is in effect on this video. And this video is for educational purposes only. Come on, ladies. We got to fight this Trump factor. You ain't... Ooh. I want to live. I don't want to die. Okay. I feel like this. I'm a black woman, yes. But you know what? I need to make it as a woman. Because that's the... Okay, come on now. I'm a woman. Okay? There are white ladies that are women. There are Chinese ladies that are women. This is why we were made like this, so that we could fight these hard legs, the ones we know that are the wrong ones in society. Ladies, it's time. We got a leg to stand on now. Chris Rock, Will Smith. Okay, Chris Rock for president. Okay, ladies, the video too long, I know. All right, ladies, for our next video, though, I am going to do the Roe versus Wade, and I am going to do the next scripture that is not taught in church about women. Okay. All right. Well, this is Jeannie, me and you on the couch signing off. And I'm really hoping that you ladies tell your lady friends to watch, tell your friend girls to watch, tell everybody to watch, because you know what, ladies, we finna take this by storm. Okay? All right, now this is Jeannie, me and you on the couch, signing off.